Get out of here.
I'm coming from
I made a purple spot. 6.
Okay, I have the same amount of green as he does?
How many purple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
You got 14 purple. You have 14 purple, so how many boxes did you throw in?
14 purple. Where's the number 14 right there? Yeah, same as us. They do have the same as us. I know. One. What do y'all do?
You're doing it right. Keep going up to, go to about 14. Keep going up to 14.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got 14.
You're 14.
What? See, I had 14.
It's okay. Start from the bottom. No, I mean, is that the right amount, 12?
14.
You have 12?
No, I'm getting more. See, I had. No, I'm sorry. 10, but you giving me so. Yeah. Red. I've got red.
Yeah.
How about y'all ready?
How many extra partner? How many?
I had start mine.
You all have 14 purple.
How many y'all got now?
You might be able to get some. How's everyone coming along?
Not good.
After you find information, we're going to come to the front of the class and tell our class what data did we collect.
1, 2, 4, 16 rings. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rings. I'm the man to be spoken to. Oh, Jesus.
You did red already?
It's not hard, Brad.
Okay, go ahead.
It's 16.
Basically, when you get up there, just like how yellow.
It's 19.
Don't forget you have the label. Just get the label inside here, so it'll be the amount, and it's the focus that's allowed.
Stop.
That's your last picture. That should be good.
It was a brown leaf.
It's on the floor. So, part of the information. On the back, I want you to write the food that has the greatest. You want on the rock.
It's still yellow.
That's you are the same. Then both of them are the greatest. But the way yours looks, I don't think you have that problem. Oh, okay. Those are least.
We done. You put it to 12.
So on the back, so I'm gonna make the announcement to the whole class now. Okay. On the back of your graph, I want you to write which color has the greatest amount and which color has the least amount. Okay. You don't have to write this much. Just write greatest and then put the color, and put the least and then put the color. Okay? We'll have to see. Just finished. Is everyone almost finished? Oh, your partner. Now we're going to double check on our graph. We should have a title, our y-axis labeled, and our x-axis labeled. So when you present, I want you to come up here, and I want you to tell what the title of your graph is, what your y-axis is labeled, what your x-axis is labeled, and tell us the information and the data that you found. Yes, the y is the up and down axis, inversions. Alright, so the first group we're going to have will be Jaden and Ashwin, and then there'll be Jahai and Luana, Ronald and Kimberly. We're not finished yet. I'll let you know when it's time to come up. And then Kamaya and Desiree.
Oh,
Almost finished.
oh, you know what I'm doing?
Which one has the greatest amount? Like all the numbers. So that's what you were
I
talking
need
about.
a crayon.
So, nope, we're finished. Okay. So let's have Jaden and Ashway come up front. Well, everyone give them their undivided attention. Don't start until everyone's looking at you. Is everyone paying attention?
Yes.
Thank you. Jaden and Ashway?
Between red and purple, it was a tie. Both of them had 14. And these was orange, because orange only had 10.
Okay, so what's the name? What's the title of your graph?
Skittles World.
Skittles World, Skittles Land. I like it. So can you read on the graph which colors had which amount? So tell us which color, like yellow. What color? How many amounts of yellow have?
13.
Okay, and keep going. Which was the next color?
Purple had 14. Green had 11. Red had 14. And orange had 10.
And orange had 10. So your greatest amount was how much? Red and purple. They were tied with how much each?
14.
14. Your least amount was?
Orange.
Orange with how many?
10.
With 10. Thank you. Alana and Jahida. Alright, everyone, undivided attention. Paying attention? Go ahead, ladies. First day, we're going to start first by talking about the information on our data. So before you tell us the greatest and the least amount, tell us how many amounts of each color you have.
Our title is Aries. We have 12 blues, 11 reds, 16 orange, 5 browns, 7 yellows, and 3 greens.
3 greens. And Alana, what was the greatest and the least amount?
The greatest and the least amount. The greatest was orange, the least was red, and all of them.
So you have 50 pieces, which are M&M's in that one little bag. Thank you, ladies. Rhonda and Kimberly? Kimberly? It's your turn to present.
Our title is Skittles Original Colors. Yellow had 11, red had 16, orange had 10, purple had 13, green had 6.
Okay, so what was the greatest and the least amount?
Red, then purple, then yellow, then orange.
Thank you.
I
And then Kamaya and Desiree. When we're finished. Ms. Johnson. Alright, let's everybody listen to the two ladies. Go ahead, girls.
Our title is Tasty Winners. Red had 5. Blue had 15. Orange had 12. Yellow had 12. Brown had 7. And green had 7.
Thank you, ladies. Woo! So now, before we okay, so now I'm gonna call on Candy. Okay? I'm gonna call on the color, and I want you to tell me how much of that color you had based on your bar graph. Because we're gonna see if one candy have more than the other. Okay? So let's start with M&M's. Let's use the color brown. Who had M&M's? Desiree, how many brown did you have? 7 browns. Jahia?
5.
5. So which one had the greatest?
Desiree and Kamaya.
Desiree and Kamaya. Time for Skittles. Let's look at orange. Okay. 10. This group had 10. This group had 10. So they're tied. Okay. Let's see if this will happen again. M&M's. Alana, how many greens did you have?
We had 3.
3? 7. So they have the greatest amount again. How many purples did you all have? Ashway? 14 purples? 14? So it's tied again. Okay. Desiree, how many blues? 15 blues. How many blues are there?
12.
Yeah, 12.
12 blues. So they have the greatest amount again. Wow, this is interesting.
Well, what did
Red.
They had 12. Well, no, you had 12, right?
we had 12?
Oh, it's tied. I'm sorry. It's tied.
No, we had
Yeah, blue.
blue is 15.
Oh, they had 15 and you all had 12. That's okay. Let's see. Red, Ronald, how many did you have?
16.
Jade, how many did you have?
14.
14. The tie has been broken. And then, is there one color left? Yellow?
Yeah, it's 2 more left.
Okay, well, we'll get to those two. How many yellows? 10 yellows over here.
7.
7 yellows over here. And then, did I do all your colors?
No, you forgot yellow and purple.
Okay, so yellow, how many yellows do you have?
11.
I didn't ask you. Thank you. Yellow, 13. 11 yellows over here. Choose a color. Which color did I not do? Orange. So how many orange? 12. 16. Let's see. Last color. What we did? Purple?
No, we haven't done purple or green. We didn't do brown.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, class, let's see.
We didn't do great.
Let's see, how many oranges does this group have? The Skittles over here?
10.
10, so those are tied, right?
We
You
didn't
have...
do red.
And brown.
Okay, hold on. How many reds? M&M's?
How many reds?
11.
11, 5. Okay, so basically, the point of this whole activity is to compare the different type of bags, right? So if one group, even though you both have bags of M&M's, did y'all have the same amount of colors in them?
No.
No, right? So if y'all had some more blues, then they may have had blues, and y'all had more oranges, then they had oranges.
No.
And the same for Skittles, right? Okay, so that's that, and this is the last little worksheet. I want you all to take home.
What did you do? Bring it back
Is
tomorrow.
that our homework?
It's kind of like homework, yes. Here you go. And that is just it. Can you all, before we start on this worksheet, we're going to end with thinking of some things that we can use a bar graph to measure. So I want everyone to think of something, and I'm going to point to you, okay? Jaden, let's start with you. What can you use a bar graph to measure?
Your favorite sports?
The favorite sports in the class, Ashway. Favorite animals, Kimberly. Favorite games, Jahia. Favorite singer, Alana.
Favorite food?
Favorite food, Maya. Favorite actress, Desiree. TV shows, and Ronald, did I go to you? Can you think of a topic that you can use bar graphs to measure?
Favorite subject?
Favorite subject. So that is the end of the lesson. Remember to do your worksheet and to bring it back tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.